The first videos and images of the upcoming DJI Neo 2 have surfaced. This will just be a quick update video covering the details we know so far, since for now we don't really have any close-up image to look at or a spec sheet to discuss. We only know the release date should be pretty soon, since Mauro Tandoi has shared on X that the Neo 2 appeared in the FCC filings on July 16th. That usually happens about 2 months before the actual release, so in my opinion, we're looking at a September or October release. But thanks to the FCC databases, we know it will be released along with a digital transceiver, which will probably be something like the famous RC track, which ended up being delayed for technical problems at first and then completely cancelled. The one coming with the Neo 2 will, however, be something more advanced, like the beacons of the Hover Air and the Skydio. The design will maintain the plastic duct propeller guards with additional protection at the top, which could be removable like on the original Neo, as you can see in this video. In this other image, we see it next to what could possibly be the Avatar 3, considering the size, and we can clearly see it is still in the testing stage. The Neo 2 might see upgrades camera-wise, possibly adopting the 1/1.3 inches sensor used in the Flip and in the Avatar 2. This could also enable more advanced tracking features like the bigger DJI drones. That's about it for the Neo 2, but for now, we should definitely focus on other and more imminent releases, such as the Osmo 360, which is expected to release as soon as next week. So go check out this video if you're interested, and make sure you're subscribed to not miss any update through the channel's posts.